Hey folks, we are getting some rain, so I am taking advantage of the rain, and I have just left the laundromat. Imagine that. So, good day to do laundry. Since my well is dry, there's not much doing laundry at the house, right? So go to the laundromat, get all the bulky items, gather up everything that I may need to wash and go from there, right? So good way to spend a rainy day. Besides cleaning the house, and who wants to clean the house when you're tired? I don't. So, strange thing, I don't get to the laundromat very often, and of course, being a Wednesday, it's not very busy right in the middle of the day. So there weren't very many people there, but the ones that were there seemed to think they needed to explain or announce to everyone why they were at a laundromat. Now, I don't know if there is a stigma against going to the laundromat. I don't know if that means, I don't know what that means, folks. Laundromat is a building where you go and wash your clothes so you can be clean. Now, if there is a stigma as to why, I don't know. I don't know why there is a stigma about going to the laundromat. I know it's not my favorite thing to do. It's just not my favorite thing to do, whether I'm home or doing my laundry at a laundromat. I know it's more expensive. It was $6.50 to do a wash, and it cost me, I think, $2.25 to do a load to dry. So it is rather expensive, and I did two large loads, and I bring my own laundry detergent, folks. So, but it is expensive. But it is what it is. So I don't understand why, if there is a stigma against going to the laundromat, which I don't see why there would be, then I just don't get it. Because if it came down to money, it's way cheaper to do laundry at home. So it would be a luxury to do laundry at a laundromat. I would think it would show that you are, in the whole scheme of things, it would show that you are wealthy, right? Or are you wealthy because you save money doing your laundry at home? I don't get why every single one of them, well, when I say every single one, there was like 6 folks, why they felt they had to explain why they were at a laundromat. Now, the excuses were, I'm here doing bulk items, I am passing through, I am at a hotel, we are camping, and we just came to the nearest town that had a laundromat. One person, what was the other reasoning? The other reasoning was, I don't know, folks. I don't remember what it was, but they all felt that they had to announce and explain why they were at the laundromat. Now, I could have responded with, my well is dry, I live off grid, I'm lazy. I could have responded with just about anything. I like going to the laundromat. I like doing my laundry here. I could have said just about anything, but I chose not to say anything because I owe no one any explanation, right? I don't know people any explanation why I'm at a laundromat. I just don't. So it is raining. We're supposed to get over 2.5 inches of rain today, over a half inch of rain tomorrow. So that is, well, close to 4 inches of rain in the next 2 days. And I am not home, so I am not sure if the rain is hitting us at home, but it's pretty cloudy. So I would assume that we are getting the rain, which is all well and good because you know what? Whew, can't see, folks. Every bucket, every tote, every canister, every pail, every cooler that I own is underneath the eaves. So I know if it's raining at home, I am collecting a lot of water. So that's good. So I know the last two videos I had this orange t-shirt on. That's because I made those last two videos yesterday. And I am wearing yet another orange t-shirt. And just so you know, folks, and I don't feel like I owe you any explanation whatsoever, but just in case some of you think you have to send me t-shirts because I don't have very many of them. Folks, I have a lot of t-shirts. The only thing is, if I am wearing orange, I've got 5 or 6 orange t-shirts, folks, same color. I've got 5 or 6 yellow t-shirts. I've got 5 or 6 lime green t-shirts, neon green. I've got several pink t-shirts, folks. So I've got a lot of t-shirts. So if you see me wearing the same color every day, you know, at least one, you know, more than once a video, then I've either done more than one video that day, or I have not paid attention and threw the same color t-shirt I had on the day before. Alright? So there we go. There's a cop that pulled over an 18-wheeler. So that's alright. That's alright. He's doing his job. So here is my exit. So I am going to adios, folks. Hope you're having a good day.